welcome to this video. Now in this video we'll be doing the onboarding of Photoshop. All right, so I'll be introducing you to the universe of Photoshop. Now just in case you were once here, you've opened the software before and ran away because you got intimidated, you didn't understand what was going on, or you have not opened the software before, this is the video you want to watch. All right, this is a very quick video and I'll just show you around and we'll move into the next section in the next video. All right, so when you open the software, when you open Adobe Photoshop, this is what you would see on your screen. A very simple page showing you buttons such as the new file, open, and home button and so on. And you also see some options on the top. If you are just opening Photoshop for the first time, now what you see on your screen might be a bit different from mine. Now this is because you've not actually designed or used the software before. You might see options such as tutorials and so on. You can just skip all that. You can go back to rewatch that later. But for now, this is what you should see on your screen. Now you will not see the recent section because you have not worked on any projects. Now what you want to do first is to create a new file, and to do that all you have to do is just click on the new file button. So I'll just click on this button and this dialog box pops up. Now what this dialog box just wants you to do is to set things up. What kind of file do you want to create? Do you want to create an A4 document? Do you want to create an A3 document? Do you want to design for social media? Do you want to design for for YouTube banners or so on? Now luckily for us, Photoshop has lots of presets that you can use. So say I wanted to create for print and I click on print, you'll see options for already set templates that I will just click on and just for example, if I want to create an A4 document, all I have to do is click on this A4 document and click on create. Let's do that, and as we can see, the document is created for us. We do not have to go online and search for the size of the document. We just have to select it on that dialog box. All right, so now that we have this created, this is how the software looks like. Now let me just reset this just because I might have changed some things up. Now if you also want to reset your software to its default state, all you have to do is go to Window, then go to Workspace. Window, then Workspace. Then all you have to do is select Essentials Default. On the left hand side, this is what you find. You find some tools with some icons. Now if you hover over these tools for a while, you see a box pop up or a card pop up to show you what kind of tool this is and give you a hint of what it is used for. Okay, now we'll be looking at these tools in depth in other videos, but for now I just want to show you where the tools are. So on the left hand side you will find tools. This is called a toolbar. You'll find tools you can use to navigate the software, move things around, cut things, erase things, and so on. This is what you find on the left hand side of your screen. Now on the top portion you will find the option bar. This is called the option bar. All right, so on the option bar, just like every software you have out there, you will find the file button or the file option. You find edit, image, and so on. All right, so on the right hand side you will also find some tools or some panels. Okay, these are called panels, and for example you can see the color panel. This is also the swatches panel. This gradients. These are all sorts of panels that you will need during your design process. All right, we'll be looking at these panels one after the other and we'll understand what they are used for in the next videos. All right, you also have some tools here. For example, you can see this is the character panel. Okay, we have the paragraph panel. We have all sorts of panels, guys, and these are very important things you should know and you will learn as time goes on. Now if you look down, you also find the layers panel. Now this layers panel is very important, and as I said, we'll dive into it later. Layers panel is basically how Adobe runs most of their softwares. They make use of layers. All right guys, so this is basically what I wanted to introduce to you today in this video. Don't lose faith, don't lose focus. Make sure you are giving yourself the vibe to want to learn, and I assure you after a couple of videos, you will learn how to use this software just like any one of us. All right, guys, so that's all for today's video. Take care, and I will see you in the next couple of videos.